Assalamu alaikum, class 8. Hope you are keeping well. Students, here is your book of grammar, the grammar tree. I have you open page number 5, and now today we are discuss another point related to nouns. Possessive form of noun. The possessive form of nouns. A noun that expresses ownership or relationship indicates possession. The possessive form of nouns can be formed in two ways. First one is the noun plus F stop plus S is usually used with the name of living things or personified objects. Example A. This is Mary's farmhouse. Here word Mary is living thing. Number B. Nature's law should be respected. Here the word nature is personified. इसका way number 2. The of plus noun form is used with the name of non-living things. Example number A. The roof of this building is leaking. The walls of this room are quite bare. Here the word F is also used to show possession. Uses of plus N. Of plus noun. Of plus noun is used with inanimate possessors or things. For example, the walls of this house have developed cracks in several places. Option number B है इसका. Of plus noun is also used when the noun is followed by a phrase or class. Students, have you some idea about a phrase or class? Okay students, here I will explain to you what you mean by a noun, what you mean by a phrase or what you mean by a class. Phrase mean do not require a subject or a predicate. Phrase को हम हाफ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं, जो हमें सेंटेंस के बारे में हाफ इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आ रही है हमारे पास. विदाउट हर पेरेंट्स ब्लेसिंग, आफ्टर द अर्थक्वेक. Next option is class. Class must contain both a subject and a predicate. Examples: when she forgot her car keys, Tom likes the maid. Okay students, clear it. Now look at the examples. The patients waited in the queue obeying the directions of the clerk at the reception desk. Here, at the reception desk is a phrase and a noun is followed by it. The result of the test which had been postponed will be declared today. Which had been postponed is a class and it is followed by a noun. Uses of noun plus F stop plus S and examples. Students, here is a table given that shows the uses of nouns plus F stop plus S and examples are also given. With a person's name, Rida's pictures, John's cat, Raza's book. With singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in S. A boy's hat, a child's toy, a tailor's shop. Plural nouns ending in S take only an F stop placed after the plural name. Students' hostel, girls' school, bird's nest. With names of country, city, state, Pakistan's freedom, Karachi's traffic, Multan's sweets. With animals, birds or inanimate things, cat's eyes, cuckoo's song, earth's crust. With singular nouns denoting time, space. A week's leave, today's newspaper. With idiomatic expressions, a stone's throw at an arm's length. With compound nouns, the last word takes the F stop and S. Father-in-laws, pop singers, postmans. Okay students, clear it. Now next we will complete our exercise G. Rewrite the italicized phrases in the sentences below using the possessive form of nouns with F stop and S in your notebooks. Students, here is the pattern how you have to solve your exercise in your notebook. On your notebook, write down chapter number 1 on the top of the page, nouns, topic and exercise G. क्वेश्चन आप रीराइट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे मैं आपको आंसर्स शो कर रही हूँ. यू हैव टू बोथ राइट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मीन पहले आप उस सेंटेंस को लिखें जो आपने रीराइट करना है, नेक्स्ट उसका आपने आंसर लिखना है। सेंटेंस नंबर 1 का आंसर है जी, माई सिस्टर इन लास्ट डॉटर इज़ ग्रेजुएटिंग टूडे। The actor's new film Sync Without a Trace. What is this month's special offer? This photo was taken in my neighbor's garden. सेंटेंस नंबर 4 को मैं दोबारा आपके लिए रीड कर रही हूँ स्टूडेंट्स। This photo was taken in my neighbor's garden. Sentence number 5. I am looking at today's program list. It was impossible to have even a moment's silence. Sentence number 7 है जी, she has been given her only 2 weeks salary. Sentence number 8 है हमारे पास, this is my grandmother's necklace. Sentence number 9, this book is about the president's last year in office. Sentence number 10, the film shows people's revolt against the monarch. Okay students, it was today's lecture, today's topic, and here before saying Allah Hafiz, I will announce the name of students who answer my question. Shahjahan Ishaq and Shahjahan Ishaq and Ashaq Hafiz. Both students answer my question in a good way or in a good manner. Students, keep it up and also take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.